here to tell you why you should vote yes on Proposition 37. The Secretary of State Voter Guide government site gives a kind of layout for what Proposition 37 would do. If passed, it would require that all foods that had genetically modified ingredients in it be labeled. This would prevent companies that say their food is natural from labeling it as natural if it had genetically engineered ingredients. The two main reasons that I'm going to tell you why you should vote yes are allergy concerns and potential health risks. Allergies can be very harmful to your body. Many of you might have an allergy to a food. They can be potentially fatal. Ohio-based allergy specialist Dr. John Boyles kind of lays out what happens when food is genetically engineered. A new gene is put into the food, and so this creates an entirely new protein. The effects of this new protein are unknown to humans, like what it does to human consumption, because there's not proper exposure. To know that you're allergic to something, you have to be exposed to it a few times. We can't test on humans. It's unethical and it's kind of dangerous. So there are no conclusive tests to say that genetically modified food is good for you or bad for you. So basically, we're the guinea pigs. They're testing their genetically modified food on us. And I know, as a guinea pig, I kind of want to know which food has these ingredients in them. I think that I have a right to know, especially since, according to the Grocery Manufacturers Association, 80% of food in the U.S. Contain genetically engineered ingredients. So the potential health risks I have concerns about are laid out by researcher Charles Benbrook at Washington State University. He did a study that says genetically modified crops are engineered with bug-killing genes, from an insecticide to make them stronger. But this GM crop's herbicide resistance has actually caused a 7% increase in pesticide use in the U.S. since 1996, and this study was done recently. So that's a major health risk. Insecticides are not good for human consumption. Another concern I have is concerning the companies that label their food natural. This proposition would prevent companies from labeling their food natural if they had genetically modified food in them. According to the No on 37 Coalition, organic companies like Silk, Horizon, Kashi, and the Santa Cruz Organic Company have donated thousands of dollars to not passing Proposition 37, and we have to wonder why. Are they hiding something? If this passes, are they not going to be able to label their cereal as all natural? Does it have genetically modified food in it? In conclusion, the main point is that we don't want to be guinea pigs. We want to be able to choose what we put in our bodies, what we put in our families' bodies if we have children. There are no conclusive tests either way, but that's not an excuse to say, go ahead and eat it. It's okay for you.
All right.